The service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Roscoe, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana-on-Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Richmond, Springfield, LaGrange, Tiffany, Millard, Avalon, Delavan Lake, and Fox Hollow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXJ87 in Madison. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Clinton, or 7 miles east of South Beloit, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana-on-Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Richmond, Springfield, LaGrange, Tiffany, Abels Corners, Gibbets, Allens Grove, Millard, and Avalon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:45 p.m. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin until 2:45 p.m. At 2:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Walworth, or near Williams Bay, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Geneva, Genoa City, Walworth, Richmond, Fontana-on-Geneva Lake, Pale Lake, and Powers Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee.
Warning! My ears are good at hearing things, so...
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan from North Point Light, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 12 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A severe
Here they go. KGB 95.
Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 117, effective until 1 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following county: Alamucky, Iowa, and the following counties in Minnesota: Houston and Winona, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Crawford, La Crosse, Monroe, and Vernon. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ86 in La Crosse. Effect until 10:30 p.m. for eastern Greene and northwestern Rock counties. At 9:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Brodhead, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. Large hail was reported just across the state line in Wisconsin, south of Monroe. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Edgerton, Evansville, Brodhead, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Footsville, Fulton, Magnolia, Dayton, Attica, Cooksville, Judah, Indianford, and Leiden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather. 5 p.m. for northeastern Iowa, northwestern Dane, and southern Sauk counties. At 10:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Spring Green, or 13 miles northeast of Dodgeville, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: law enforcement. Ping-pong ball-sized hail was reported between Dodgeville and Spring Green. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Mayville, Maine, Spring Green, Black Earth, Arena, Plain, Ridgeway, Marksville, and Governor Dodge St. Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, western Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11 p.m. At 10:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Brooklyn, or near Evansville, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: trained weather spotters. Multiple inch to inch-and-a-half hail reports have been received from Greene and Rock counties. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Watertown, Stoughton, Oregon, Jefferson, McFarland, Monona, Lake Mills, Edgerton, Marshall, Waterloo, Cottage Grove, Johnson Creek, Deerfield, Cambridge, Brooklyn, Lake Ripley, and Lake Koshkonong. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending near Richland Center to Madison, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. There have been numerous reports of quarter to ping-pong ball-sized hail with these storms over the past 30 minutes. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Waunakee, Baraboo, Verona, Portage, Reedsburg, Monona, Windsor, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Wisconsin, DeForest, Cross Plains, Lodi, Lake Delton, and Plymouth. This includes the following locations: Wisconsin State Capitol, Mirror Lake State Park, Gibraltar Rock Natural Area County Park, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Kilbourne Dam, Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, and Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake Ripley to near Raymond, moving north at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Racine, Waukesha, West Allis, Wautosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, West Bend, Muskego, Watertown, Mequon, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Whitewater, Hartford, Whitefish Bay, and Greendale. This includes the following locations: Border Botanical Gardens, General Mitchell International Airport, Timmerman Airport, Frodert and the Medical College, Fisher Forum, Pewaukee Lake, Ottawa Lake Recreation Area, and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Juneau County in central Wisconsin, southern Adams County in central Wisconsin, until 11:55 p.m. At 11:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Reedsburg, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Mouston, Friendship, New Liston, Adams, Delwood, Lemonnier, Lindina, Lyndon Station, Kelly, Castle Rock. This includes Interstate 90/94 between mile marker 60 and 86. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin, Lake Michigan from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical to mid-lake until 11:45 p.m. At 11:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along eastern Lake County in northeastern Iowa, central Grant County in southwestern Wisconsin, southern Crawford County in southwestern Wisconsin, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:08 p.m., Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending
That
from
was
Farmersburg to
unexpected.
near
What
Garden
the
Village to
hell?
near Edgewood, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Big River and Marquette around 11:20 p.m. Prairie du Chien around 11:25 p.m. Guttenberg and Bloomington around 11:30 p.m. Cassville around 11:35 p.m. Boscobel and Finnan around 11:50 p.m. Lancaster around 11:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Highway 61 in County T, Giard, Turkey River, B-Town, County Road KNT, Fairview, and Bridgeport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Wisconsin: Crawford and Grant, and Clayton, Iowa. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, western Fond du Lac County in east-central Wisconsin, eastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, Marquette County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wisconsin Dells to near Ryota near Columbus, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Beaver Dam, Waupun, Portage, Ripon, Berlin, North Fond du Lac, Columbus, Partyville, Randolph, Fall River, Montello, Arkeson, Westfield, Princeton, Rosendale, Ryle, Green Lake, Brandon, Cambria, and southern Lake Winnebago. This includes the following locations: Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant, and Tuckaway Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, they working overtime.